Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you, and we thank you for all your support last year, and we hope you will continue showing your love and support to us this year. So let's begin this year with a video which some of you guys were asking me, and that's the best budget true wireless earbuds. And here we have the Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb. In the front of the box we have the model name and the picture of the product. And here we have some features at the bottom such as Bluetooth 5.0 support, voice assistant support, touch control, and you get the Type-C charging in these earphones. And here we have the MRP, which is Rs 2699, but you can get them for approximately 1800 rupees from Amazon. At the back of the box we have the specifications and the features such as 18 hours battery backup with the charging case. They are splash proof and lightweight. And these true wireless earphones are available in different colors such as black, black and red and white. So let's open the box and see the content now. On the top we have the Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb charging case and two earbuds. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide which has the info about the pairing and different touch controls. And then you get the Type-C charging cable and some extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb earphones are pretty lightweight. They are not too big and I find the size perfect for this design. The build quality I find is good, and in terms of design, I prefer always the in-ear earphones which are more comfortable than the regular earbuds such as the Realme Buds Air, which are not that comfortable. Now in terms of battery backup, I'm not sure about the capacity of the earbuds and charging case, but the company claims about 6 hours of playback time from one single charge, and with the charging case, you can get extra 18 hours of playback time. The size of the charging case is also good and you can easily carry it in your pocket as well. So overall at this price, the specification and the features which we have on these true wireless earphones looks good. Now let's pair them with the phone and we'll see how is the sound quality. Pairing is simple and you just have to take them out of the charging case and they will appear in your available Bluetooth device list. There are different sounds to let you know when they are paired or disconnected from your phone. About the sound quality, I have used them for some time, and before we talk about the sound quality, I have to be honest here that these earbuds are really comfortable and you get a snug fit which makes them perfect for workout. And yes, they're also splash proof. Now about the sound performance, you get good bass. It's not too high or too low, but you get perfect bass for music, especially for watching movies and videos. The sound is loud and clear, and I have noticed that there are no distortions even at high volume. So overall for sound performance, these earbuds sound pretty good, but do not expect high bass from them. But for my taste, I find these earbuds perfect for listening to music and watching videos. The touch controls are also good and the response is fast. You have a single touch to pause and play tracks, double tap to change songs, and 2-second long press to enable Google Assistant or Siri. There are no volume controls, but you can ask Siri or Google Assistant to change the volume for you. These earbuds also come with the call function, and the mic performance is also decent, and you can also take calls in stereo. Now in terms of latency, you will notice minor lag while watching videos and noticeable lag while playing games. So for games like PUBG and COD, I would not recommend these earbuds. So overall Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb is a pretty decent package. In the price range of 1800 rupees, you're getting a good looking earbuds which are comfortable and offers good battery backup as well as sound performance. The touch controls works perfectly, and you also get the auto connect feature, which means when you take them out of the charging case, they will auto pair with the last device. Similarly, they get disconnected when you put them back in the case. Talking about things which are missing in these earbuds are the autoplay and pause feature. They do not support autoplay and pause when you take the earbud out of your ear. And guys, if you're looking for an in-ear design true wireless earbuds which performs and looks good, then you can definitely consider them, especially at this price range. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, these were the Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb true wireless earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you would buy these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.